What's going on YouTube? It's your boy, McGriff, back with another video. Y'all already know what time it is, you know what I'm saying? I've been gone for a minute, but I'm back now. You know what I'm saying? Back and better than ever, you know what I'm saying? So today this little video, just a little something, you know, me cooking on the grill. So y'all gonna be grilling with McGriff today, you know what I'm saying? A little something, you know, nothing too major. A little couple steak, couple sausage, you know what I'm saying? I'm on the back catching a little sun right now. I need a little vitamin D, you know what I'm saying? But I got my hat on, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, you know what I'm saying? Just back here, just catching a little vibe, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I'm in a new environment, everything, you know what I'm saying? I love my new environment that I'm in, you know what I'm saying? So it's just different, but I'm enjoying it, you know what I'm saying? You got to enjoy life, you know what I'm saying? Life ain't promised, so each and every day, y'all guys better wake up, get to this money, you know what I'm saying? Live your life how you want to be lived, because you know what I'm saying? This thing can be going tomorrow, you know what I'm saying? So just appreciate everything, you know what I'm saying? So a lot of this stuff taking place in this world right now, you know what I'm saying? You got to be thankful for what you got, because it can all be taken away from you. So I don't want to get too deep into it, but you know what I'm saying? Just got to give y'all a little motivation, you know what I'm saying? So that's all to it, but you know what I'm saying? So let's get into this video, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, y'all gonna be grilling with McGriff, so you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna take y'all with me, you know, show you a little something, you feel me? But nah, let me get to it, all right? Yeah. Yeah, so I got a shiny nice environment, you know, coming out the back, you know what I'm saying? We got a whole little pond, a little lake, you know what I'm saying? Good little size, you see I cut the grass today, that's why I'm out here, you know what I'm saying? So I might as well throw something on the grill, not too much. Too major, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Every day I come out here and just enjoy life, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So sometimes you just gotta look out. Like I said, I love water, you know what I'm saying? So anytime like I'm on vacation or whatever, I don't really call it a vacation unless I'm around some water, because water is peaceful, you know? So I just like to come out here and just sit here and think sometimes, you know. Like I said, a lot of things going on in the world, you know what I'm saying? You just gotta appreciate what you have. You know what I'm saying? I ain't got much, but I got something, you know. I'm just happy, you know, God just gave it to me. Blessed me with everything, you know what I'm saying? I take everything. Don't take things for granted. You know what I'm saying? Because like I say, it can be all gone tomorrow, so you know, just love life, enjoy life, and be thankful for the life that you have. Like I said, let's go ahead and get to this grill. Let's go ahead and fire this thing up. I'm gonna cook on a little small side today, you know. You gotta put too much in there, you know. Crank up the big smoker, but you know, I crank it up. But you know what I'm saying, it's just a little something. Nothing too major, something small, but go ahead and fire this thing up in a few and go back in and get this stuff ready. But be back in a minute. Yes, sir. Gonna get that thing fired up real quick. Do that thing. Come on now. You just charcoal as you like too, so go ahead and try to get that thing started. What I do is I put a piece of cardboard up under it so it can catch me and catch all the other ones. I really don't like the whatever you call it, a little match light. Make your food taste like lighter fluid. So I be feeling like this the best kind. Pretty much what I do is I take a piece of cardboard and rip that cardboard off right quick. Take a piece of cardboard, Just lay it over the top so it can catch all the other one. And I close that firebox back up. Let all of them catch. Move that thing around. Once that box get hot, she ready. Oh yeah, she's smoking now. I'm gonna move that rack over. Yes, sir. Like I said before, I do this now. Watch me learn. For y'all, you young cats, you don't cook with the fire. You cook with the charcoal. So you wait till all your charcoal get white. That means that it's hot, it's gonna hold its heat. Then you throw your food on there. You cook with that right there, food gonna taste like fire. Like fire. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I do. Comment down below if you do it. And I just taught you a little something, you know what I'm saying? So ain't too much. Hey, we can help each other out, you know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing too much. You know what I'm saying? Look at the view. Look at the view that you got. While you cooking on the grill, you feel me? And wait till I show y'all what we gonna do to the back, you know what I'm saying? Oh, everything coming, you know what I'm saying? If y'all wanna come fishing, you know what I'm saying, just let me know. Comment down below, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I go get them bass. If y'all want a video like that, bass fishing, you know what I'm saying? I catch a little something. You know what I'm saying? I don't eat fish. That's one thing. I do not eat fish, so I catch them, I throw them back. I do not like fish. I like meat. No harm. Alright, I'm gonna let that die down and bring the food back out. And we're gonna get back to it. Like I said, we're gonna cook a little steak, a little sausage, you know what I'm saying? Just a little something, just something small, not too much. Alright, be back in a minute. Oh yeah, we back. Just put the steak on that thing. These little small steaks up on here. Putting a little Pam on that thing. Y'all see what's going on. Just a little something. You know what I'm saying? I got a smoke. Got the neighbors thinking I was a block party out here. I like my steak medium well. So, you know what I'm saying? Just keep it on one side, let it cook. Throw it on the other side for about 10-15 minutes. About 10 minutes. You know what I'm saying? I keep a good watch out on it, so it ain't too bad. But the fire still on that thing, so I can move that thing up a little bit. I don't want it to burn. Cooking though. Let's see what it is. I ain't got my phone hot, boy. Now, people, this how you know you got you a good grill. I'm only cooking in the small one, but you see how that big thing over there cooking, you know what I'm saying? That's how you supposed to cook food if that was so-called. It's almost like you're supposed to use the fire pit, you know? So, put all your stuff in there. And here, you see it got it smoked out. That's how you know it's good, you feel me? It's smoking, you know what I'm saying? You smoking food, but like I said, when you ready to cook, that's when you put on that big thing right there. Yeah, got the temperature on it, and I'm cooking on it. Like I said, ooh, that thing smoked out. Yes, sir. Yeah, I like that. Big grill. Big steak. Chicken thing, this shit free. But these just a little thin, you know. See? Cooking them things. These gonna take on. Season it right. What I should have did, I should have just showed y'all me seasoning. I seasoned it up before. Season up before we cooking them, but like I say, I had seasoned up the night before. Oh yeah. Salt. Yes sir. See that big steak, that look good. I said these other little steaks, little small, little thin, or something. You know. So we're gonna get back to it on that one. Look real good though. Smoked out. You got the whole city on smoke. You don't want no smoke with McGriff, you know what I'm saying? Just cooling on this good Saturday. That's what I enjoy, you know. Sitting back, cooking on the grill, just enjoying life. Check it again. Oh yes sir. Yes sir. Look at them things. Smoked out. That's how y'all do it right there, you know. Little thin. Yes sir. Ain't nothing like the smell of good charcoal. Look at that. Yes sir, yes sir. Gonna put that big thing right there. Let me put that thing one more time just to make sure. Oh yeah. It's still looking good. You know that sausage is good when that big bust open. You know why that good sausage. No homo. Oh, yes sir, yes sir. Everything almost ready. Tell me what y'all think about that. Y'all want a bite? Look real good, smell good. Go on, smell it. Smell that. Why you playing with it? Go on, get you one. Get you one. Yeah, I'm talking to you. The one with the big head right there. Go on, get you one. All right. So if you're still here watching this video, I appreciate if y'all go ahead and like, comment, subscribe to my channel. You know what I'm saying? Much appreciated. You know what I'm saying? Y'all comment down below what type of videos y'all like. You know what I'm saying? I'm just doing something just to get back used to recording. You know what I'm saying? Because I really got to get it. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to really step it up a notch with this stuff. You know what I'm saying? And just show y'all my everyday life. More things like that. You know what I'm saying? Like take y'all into things I like to do. And as you can tell, I like to eat, I like to cook, you know what I'm saying? I like to fish. So 4-wheeler ride, you know what I'm saying? I gotta get back to it. I had a lot of video stuff, you know, prepared for that, but a lot of stuff took place once we went to this place we had went to. I ain't get to do it, but we're gonna try to set something back up somewhere else, you know, somewhere more safer, because the last place, you know, it wasn't for us to be there, you know what I'm saying? I take all signs, you know, in life and just take it where, you know what I'm saying? So I just try to embrace everything. So like I say, if y'all like this video, just let me know what more y'all want, what type of videos y'all want. But like I said, I'm gonna be putting out a lot of videos soon. So like I say, if you haven't already, click the post notification bell, turn it on so you won't miss none of my videos. And trust and believe, I'm about to come with all these bangers. So, you know what I'm saying? Y'all become a part of this McGriff, you know what I'm saying? I'm definitely gonna take care of my fam, you feel me? So, y'all like it? And let's get back to this grill. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what is going on. Ooh. Oh, yeah. She ready. Ain't no captain in my ride. Go ahead, take them things off. Oh, yeah. Bus over. You know it's good when it bus over. Nice from out the house. Put that thing open so I know for sure. Like I said, I like my steak medium well. So, should be pretty much done. Put that thing open and see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, she ready. A little pink on the inside. Not too much. Not too much. Oh, I got y'all upside down. I'm gonna get y'all back right. My bad, my bad. Oh yeah, she ready. Yeah. Take that thing off. Still cooking on the plate. Yes sir, thank y'all for watching the video. I might show y'all some pictures, but like I say, hey, I gotta eat, so I ain't got time for pictures. Alright, I'm out. Yeah. You for watching my video all the way to the end. If you haven't already, like, comment, subscribe, and hit that post notification bell so you're notified every time I drop a video.